Welcome everybody to this week's video. I hope that everyone is doing well and that we are well rested. Yeah, man, I'm exhausted for some reason. Because it's been a lot. It's been a lot this week. Oh, the past week, sorry. Today is the start of a new week, so I can't say it's been a lot because the week hasn't started. Man, I thought, okay, let me just change things up on this section. Edit the different elements just to add some flavor to this wall or to this cabinet. And yeah, I've got a ring light, but the phone is not it's not coming together. I don't even know, like the phone doesn't fit the thing. And then somehow I don't know what's going on with my phone when you flip it around. I think I need to change the protective screen because I think it's messing up the camera. So yeah, it is the ring light that's helping with the lights. And yeah, so I hope everyone is good. Welcome to this week's vlog. Yeah, I tried the whole vlogtober situation. I don't know. I don't know if I can keep up, guys. The pressure is just too much and there's a lot going on. Yeah, so I just figured, let me switch it around. I've changed the light there, moved some of the things that were on the coffee table to this area, and added that brownish vase. It's not a new one. I've had it for a minute, like that beigey vase. I've had it for a minute. The only new thing I got is this floating glass, the green one. Yeah, I got it this week. I want to get 2 more, if not 3, because I need to add them into this cabinet. Sorry, don't judge what's happening in this situation, because like I said, my house is a construction space, but we're making progress. So I'm gonna take you through the bathroom updates, the flooring, and just so you see what's happening and yeah, the progress we have made. Because I've been saying, oh, we're tiling. The tiling has officially started, and yeah, I'm very happy with the progress. Cool. Let me just take you through the bathrooms and the tiling, and then yeah, I'll do like a full house tour once everything is done, and so that you see and stuff. And I'm sorry, in certain areas I haven't posted the befores. Hey, it's a lot. But yeah, let me just take you through so that you see the progress. And yeah, cool. So this is the stairs. The guys are not done because stairs, yeah, there's a lot of work to be done on the stairs. So this is basically the towel. I am in love with the towel, and the reason the tiling took forever, there was a tile I wanted, and then I changed my mind. And I think I did share that it was a tile from CTM. They'd said, I think it's 179, and then when I asked, like, in terms of square meter, it came to 400, and it the tile wasn't giving. And then I found, then I wanted something that looks like a granite look. Like I said, this is I'm renovating on a budget. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much money and on the space and stuff. And yeah, in certain areas I did splurge a bit. But yeah, this towel I got. Then I found another towel, and then I thought it was going to be too busy. I took a friend there to just for like a second opinion. And I found this one whilst I was there with a friend. And I was showing the friend the other towel that I was thinking of getting, but I wasn't convinced. Then I found this towel, like it's got like speckles and stuff. It's got like it's like a concrete with like a terrazzo feel. I love it so much. Like, look at the stairs. Obviously the skating is removed so that the towel can go in, and then the skating can sit on the towel. I love, love, love. They're not done. I love this towel so much. Like, look how amazing. And that wall, the skating shade got damaged because of the leak from my bathroom. But yeah, I'm loving the, let me switch on the lights so you kind of see the towel. It is so stunning. Like, it's so delicious. Like, I love it so much. Oh, can't wait. Cannot wait. I'm so happy with this choice. So yeah, so they've only tiled up to there. They'll come through and just complete everything, and we should be good to go. Love it, love it, love it. So this is the passage and the stairs. Look how nice this tile is. Love it, love it. And these guys are so good. Like, oh my god, they attention to detail unmatched. Love it, love it, love it. And yeah, so this is basically it. And then now I'm gonna take you to the bathroom, the guest bathroom, just to give you an update. So this is the angle from this side. Love, love, love the towel. Like, love the towel, Kasana. Like, love it so much. Ooh, and it's good quality. Like, oh my god. And yeah, I'm glad I didn't go with that CTM towel, because yeah, it was just gonna make it look cheap and nasty, but yeah, I'm happy with this towel. Oh guys, I am so happy with it. Yeah, I wish I could tile the whole house, but this tiling business is too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much, guys, so yeah, but I'll share. I think, yeah, the guys should be finishing this week. I will share. Yeah, I'll share. And then, yeah, I need to order 2 more boxes of these towels, and then we're good to go. But I'm loving it. So there I did the silver strip. Obviously the wooden thing's a bit slow, but I like it. And then I just need to get a glue to fill the gaps there. But I love it. I love it. Like I said, I'm in my silver stainless steel chrome era. Down with the brass. I'm joking, for those that love brass. I am doing brass tabs in the other bathroom. So, but yeah, I think I'm in my silver era. A silver chrome stainless steel era, and I'm loving it. So this is the look from the side, guys. I'm gonna sleep on these towels. Once they're done, I am sleeping here. See, like, it's stunning. Yo, it is so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I think most importantly, what I'm realizing is, take your time. If you have to pause the renovation because you haven't found the one, take your time. Take your time. Don't ever feel rushed into committing to materials and stuff, and then later you regret, Yeah, it is what it is, guys. Took forever, but I'm happy with the weight and the materials I've chosen. happiness. Cool. Okay, so this is the guest bathroom. It's a very small bathroom. I didn't want, because I know somebody would have gone for like a mosaic in the shower. It's a shower bathroom, obviously. I didn't want two different tiles in here because the space is tight, bro. Like I didn't want three different tiles, like the wall tile, the mosaic tile, and then this. So I went with the brick style tile. Love it. Like guys, I've been dreaming of this brick situation forever and ever and ever. There's the niche. It wasn't there previously. I think it just made when you showering in here, you have to like put stuff on the windowsill, which just made, you know, just showering a bit intense. It's a very small bathroom, and this wall here I never tiled, like ever since. Like this is the first time this wall. I think the last time it was tiled was before I bought the place, like before I renovated. And I found that thing there, like that. It's almost like a niche, whatever, a basin niche, whatever you want to call it. I found it there, which is so cool. And then I tiled this side. I wish it was lower, but it is what it is. We are here. Like I would have loved it to tile up to there, but it's fine. It's not a train smash. I'll put like a picture there. And then here is where the toilet will go. I never tiled this area as well. Just tiled the shower area, kept the old shower door. And shame that shower door was outdated and a bit on the dirty side. So here I'll put like towels, thinking of putting like 2 shelves on top there, and then just decorate nicely. And then I'm gonna get like a storage thing and put it under the basin. Love this towel. Like it's not a towel, it's like a brick situation, but it is so stunning. And yes, we're going with brass in here. I couldn't find like a brass shower trap, like that small one. And initially I did share that I got like a longer brass whatever, but I just felt like it would take away. I don't want strips. I don't want anything that will take up like attention from the bricks or the whatever, you know. But yeah, I'm loving the white and the terracotta brick tile. It is so amazing. Like I am loving that combo. Cannot wait to use this bathroom. Never mind the bucket there. There's a leak there. The plumber had fixed, but now I don't know what the tilers did. It's all good, guys. With construction, there's just so much drama. I'm just glad that we are finally moving. And yeah, same towel I used in my bathroom. Like I said, renovation on a budget. Although even when you say renovation on a budget, renovating in general, it's just a lot of money and a lot of headache. And yeah, I'm happy also just for the niche, right? So when you shower, there's, you know, you don't have to like lift your hand like you in gym lifting weights. And umfundisi did say ama dumbbells akafuneki, you know, umfundisi uNkulunkulu doesn't want ama dumbbells. So translated in English means that going to gym is a sin. So there's a pastor doing the rounds on YouTube on this other podcast. I don't know what the name of the podcast is. He's saying basically don't work out. God does not want you to work out, because working out, you're altering your body, and God does not want that. God wants you original. So yeah, so lifting your arm or your hand and stuff to reach for a soap, God does not want that. Joking. But yeah, you can check out the podcast and just see how funny the guy is. Yeah, so this is it. I will, yeah, probably do another update when it's grouted, everything is done. We ran out of towels for that little section. How annoying. I have to go get towels to fill that area, and then yeah, we should be good. But I'm happy. Sorry, I'm happy. It's the box behind me. I'm happy with the progress. I'm happy with how the bathroom looks. And yeah, I wish I'd gone with tiling. Like, instead of going with screed, I wouldn't be in this situation where I have to like redo everything. But hey, it is what it is, guys, you know. Yeah, anyway, cool. I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Do subscribe, do like, do comment down below so that we grow this channel. And yeah, man, I promise to share, you know, just the little that I know about interior. And yeah, I think from next week I'm gonna switch it up a bit, but I'll share as we move along. But yeah, have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Mwah. Bye.